Hi everyone, good evening. It's Tuesday. Today is a commission day. So I'm very excited to be here sa aming opisina dito sa JC office. Yan. Ito ang aming mga business partner. So ngayong gabi ito, ngayong araw na ito, meron akong isang interviewin na manlahi from Nepal. Interview natin siya. Anong years niya dito sa JC.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Salima Mia from Nepal. I business JC. I'm 3 months also, and now a big commission. Commission look is Philippine 1,076. Also Qatari. Bos bos kali kebutuhan tuh into panggil partner.